Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how you can create a course on a Canva by mobile phone. You just need to download the Canva on your mobile phone, and then you just need to open your Canva right away. Tap into this application to open it. And the next, if you want to create a course, take a look at this section and just visit your project. Right after you open the project, tap into the three small dots and there could be an option here, a course, just go tap it. If this is your first time to create it, then it could be look like this. So you just need to go at the name of the course. Right here, just go tap into this icon and then you can just tap the title for the course and go tap down. And now if you want to add the activities, just go tap into this and you can create a new, you can also choose the design or upload it from your mobile phone or devices, or you can also import from other application. If you choose the design, there could be like a lot of design that you can have that could be like on your projects too. Or if you want to create new, just tap into this create new and create the design by your own. And right after you're done, you can share this course into someone else by go tap into the share. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed this, guys, and let's meet again into other tutorial.